with girls like you. Love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Simply Tamia, and in today's video I'm gonna give y'all a couple hairstyles to do with straightened hair. You know, like after you get your hair straightened, it be all flowy and nice, and then it get oily and it don't be that straight anymore. You don't want to keep putting heat on it. So I'm gonna give you some hairstyles to do with your hair. Okay, first thing I'm gonna be doing is middle part ponytail. Then you may want to put your edges out like this, or some people don't really like doing this part, but I just think that it looks cute. And you could do your edges, but I'm not going to do my edges because I'm going to do another video on how I lay my edges. Okay. Sorry guys, something happened to my camera, but you will then put this part in a messy bun and then take it out the ponytail and part it down the middle. This is not a straight part. Part this part down the middle. What is wrong with this comb? Okay. And then it's kind of like two bangs, but you would need more bobby pins. If your hair is wild like mine, you would need 2 bobby pins or more to keep it down, but that's your next hairstyle. Okay. Or you could just do a regular bun, how I already showed, without any hair out, or you like have it down, like your sides down. And this is another style you could do. I like to part it right here where my hairline is. Right here. Part it over and go all the way across to the other side. And put this part in a ponytail. Just like a messed up ponytail at first. Then just brush this a little and put this part in a ponytail, just so you could be able to fix this part. So make sure you brush it smoothly, because nobody likes a bogus hairstyle. So grab a rubber band, put this right in a ponytail. Kind of tighten it up. And And then take the back out of a ponytail. Brush that part out. And either you can have it down, or you could do a top knot. And grab a bobby pin. And there you go. You could also do another hairstyle with this half up, half down. You can go ahead and put this back in a ponytail. And you can, if you know how to braid, or like you can have somebody braid for you, you can start a braid down the middle. It doesn't have to be like really perfect, because it's going to be a messy bun in the end anyway. So, yeah. You can stop it like right here, so you can be able to wrap it up. See, just a simple braid down the middle. Then take the ponytail out and brush your hair out of it. Here's another style. And also, to do your bun, same thing, I just wrap it around and stick that bobby pin right in there. Okay, and also if you don't want your hair down all the time, but you want a braid, you can have you can put it in a very low ponytail. You know, you could put your edges out again. This style is really cute to me. Or you can do an even higher ponytail with this braid. Okay, then you have to get it really up there. So, you know, I would just put it in a bun. And I could put it in a bun. The bun is not stained. But you get the gist. But, yeah. That was just a couple hairstyles. You know, just if like you're running late or like you just want a cute basic style just for the day or night or something for your natural hair. But yeah, it will be more videos like this with natural hair or weave even. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I am Simply Tamia, and I'm currently trying to redecorate my room. Like, I need some ideas. So yeah, and I will be back with another video. And I'm sorry the video kept, like, it was really tweaking because like I don't have no storage, y'all. But this is my first hair tutorial. Let me know how you guys like it. But yeah, I will be back with another video soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You, yeah, yeah, girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come.